Good morning, guys. It's literally, I just woke up and it's already 10 a.m. Nagbawi talaga ako ng tulog and I'm still sleepy. And it's Monday pala. I'm going to work the whole day. Hi, guys. So, I will tour you to our room since wala masyadong tao. So, this is our room. So, ito yung door. Yan yung door. And then, this is my stayan. Kinocoveran ko lang ng towel. Tapos, meron din dyan. So, bali, walo siya. Ayan, nandito yung aircon. If you have water, you know, you can put it there or there. But, nawalan ako ng water dyan sa my hallway. Nilinis din nila yung tubig ko. So, that's it with our room. Room tour. Yun, ang masaya lang kasi you're going to meet another person. Especially if, like me na I'm a beginner lang as a YouTuber and I want to meet other people, you know. It's kasama na rin sila sa content ko. Syempre, and mahirap din naman kasi magsalita outside na ikaw lang mag-isa. So that's good na meron kang kasama na paiba-iba rin yung character, no? Ayun, so I'm not sure if it's okay. But I will eat na. Kain tayo. Pinahiram ako ni Ate Elisa ng nail cutter niya. Thank you. And magkata tayo ng nails. Kumabono kasi ito. Ang sarap, guys. Try ko nga mag-work dito. Idea. So guys, gumagana yung saksakan dito. I'm so happy. Kasi ang ganda ng view dito, look. Diba? And ano, mahangin. Hindi doon sa lobby. Nandun yung araw eh. Ang init. Dito. Diba yun? Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo mahangin eh. First time po guys na magkaroon ng 3 bar to. Kasi lagi siyang it's full bar. Can you see ba? I have a place. You can eat here. You can, you know, can do vlogging. Ay, wait, tawagan ko lang si girl. Sabihan ko dito siya kumunik. Ay, try ko nga muna. Yung bilis talaga. Ay. Hi guys, mukhang uulan. Look at the sky. And look at my office mate, workmate. So yun guys, nakakatakot naman kung dito naman ako mag-work ng gabi. Hello guys, so nandito na ako ngayon sa aking bed. So yan. At least dito aircon at hindi malamok. Sisend lang ako ng email. Nahina kasi sa room. Isang hotdog king. Isang pork barbecue. May rice. 20 pesos po. So, ngayon is, ito ang i-vlog ko naman is yung pwede mong kainin dito sa short time na mura lang. Which is yung barbecue and yung king. So, I ordered 2 barbecue 60 and then 1 na lang 95 plus 20 na rice. So, it's only 115. So, let's see kung masarap. Ano ba ang naging dahilan? Sa isip ko'y yakap ka ba? Sa isip ko'y walang iba. Thank you for watching all the way through. I'm your travel genie and hope your travel wish will come true.